Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your S20 with iOS and FFit app. So let's begin here immediately. As you can see, we have the app already installed. We have 4 pages down and below here. And the second page, which we can see, it's add new device. Press add new device and you can see it found some of the devices that are near us. We are going to connect the S20, in this case press pair, and you can see with just 2 or 3 steps you can actually connect it, which is very easy and very fast way to connect, and this is what we all about here. You can see now it says signed. Press allow for the notifications and now you are set to go. The S20 actually is connected and you are able to use all the functions that this smartwatch gives us. So you can see here we have connected, and with that button it will ring in the phone, so this let us know that in the way they are connected. You can see in the first page we have quite a few things, starting from the data for steps. You can see you can change the date and you have the statistic down below. We have heart rate statistic, you can see how it looks. We have minimum, maximum heart rate, and same with sleep, again the date and the statistic where it says no data. Same with history record for sports, and we have blood pressure. Actually we have some information here. That was the first page. At the second page you can see we have the dial center, which we can change the faces. Actually we have quite a few faces, but right now we don't have the battery percentage that is needed to change the face of the S20, but you get the point. You can see how where to change it. We have here notifications. We allowed the Instagram that we use. We have reminders such as send a reminder, drink water, alarm, and other things for medical and other part. We have continuous heart rate, left wrist view, and phone, photograph, and more settings. In more we have wear and position, unit settings, device management, etc. Also we have here care, which you can add the front, and we have the fourth page, which is our profile. You have the languages and you have more here, which you can log out and do other things. So we can see here the notification. And guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.